Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Again, first couple of videos, my settings are going to be a little weird. I'm going to figure it out, but I'm tired, I'm sick, and I want to sit on my bed for the intro of this video. So welcome, my name is Cynthia, and I am starting a YouTube channel. This episode is episode 3 of my YouTube channel. Actually, I should probably stop saying that because I don't know if it's going to be in that order, but I guess I am doing the next 2 videos like that. But yeah, so in this channel, I'm just going to talk about my weight loss journey, how I like to eat delicious food. I probably swear a little too much and tell you a little too much. So yeah, that's my video. That's my introduction, and it's going to get better with time. But yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do a food basics grocery haul. What day is it? Today's September 23rd, and I live in Mississauga, Ontario, and I spent $24.61, and these are the things that I got. So I got, and I'm going to tell you as well, like show you the video, but I want to just go over the prices now, and maybe I'll do it as a voiceover or add it to the end, or the beginning because I said hello. But, so I got mushrooms and romaine lettuce, 2 for $5, so $2.50 each. I got icing sugar for $1.67. I got brown sugar for $1.67. I got 2 cans of soup for $1.99 because I'm sick and I'm not tracking food right now. Actually, I can track it because I'm going to use soup. Okay. I got carrots. I got 2 bags of carrots for 67 cents each. I got grape tomatoes for $1.98. I think it's a pint. I got broccoli, 2 bundles of them for 67 cents each. I got 1 sweet potato for $1.49. I got a Selection cheese, which is a Food Basics brand, like their home brand, for $3.97, and English muffins for 99 cents. So altogether, I spent $24.61 for all of those things, and now I will show you what the size and quantity looks like. Cheers. This is based on Food Basics weekly flyers that came out on Thursday. Actually, I'm going to make a quick disclaimer and say that my kitchen, by the way, like if you ask anybody in our house, we live in an apartment. It's our least favorite spot, and it's not because we like are shitty at taking care of it. It's just that we live in a building. We've lived here for probably 20 plus years, and we originally were thinking of getting like our like kitchen renovated and just paying for it out of pocket, but honestly, like for the building that we live in, and like we don't want to live here for the rest of our life, and hopefully in the next couple of years we're going to be gone. We're just learning to deal with it, and as of late I've taken over I may not be contributing to my family financially at the moment, but I try my best to do other things. So for example, I take my mom to work in the mornings. I do the groceries now for the full house. So that's another thing, is that yes, I'm on a weight loss journey, but this is groceries for the full house as well. And I have a family of 5. Right now we live with just 4 of us, and Johan lives in Halifax. My dad is a pescatarian. My mom and VJ and me eat whatever we want. I'm pretty picky. And like I said, we're Tamil, South Asian, so we cook a lot of brown food, and then I'm obviously trying to get some gains. You didn't even see my hand that did that, but okay, whatever. I was going to tell you one more thing. Yeah, so I'm probably not going to show you like the kitchen because it's a sore spot, and maybe like in the future I will. And there are going to be different things and video ideas that I have, like to organize the small space that you do have. But if I was going to let the state of my kitchen stop me from going after my dreams and say, like, when I get a new house, I'm going to film videos. Like, nah, man, I'm going to start here. And when I do get to a fucking sick-ass house and have the dream kitchen that I want, y'all are going to be like, damn, man, this girl came through. So just letting you know, and don't let dumb shit like that stop you from doing stuff. Okay, so here's the haul part. So these 2 soups, because I'm sick, $1.99. Easy to track because there's a barcode right there. This is for we just are out and we kind of do baking here and there. So brown sugar, icing sugar, $1.67 each. And since we're out, I figured I might as well stock up. Mushrooms, this is 454 grams. And it was $2.50, which works out to be less than $1, maybe 75 cents a gram. I don't remember, but romaine lettuce, $2.50. And I'll tell you actually something after. Carrots, 67 cents each. Broccoli, 67 cents each. Bananas, 57 cents a pound. English muffins, a pack of 6, 99 cents. Sweet potato, $1.98 a pound. And a pint of tomatoes for $1.99. Weekly groceries, like most times, we'll go to 2 Canadian stores, so like Food Basics and Walmart. We'll go to one Chinese, sorry, not Food Basics and Walmart, Food Basics and No Frills. And then we'll go to one Chinese grocery store. which is probably Tara, and then here and there we'll go to a Tamil grocery store. So weekly, whenever Food Basics and No Frills, like they release flyers on Thursdays, and I will go on my Flipp app, check. I'm gonna include screenshots. I'm gonna check what's on sale, and then you can even tap it and say, I want to save this to my grocery list. And then today when I went to the store, I knew that like I wanted to get soup, and like we haven't gone to the grocery store since like last week, last couple of weeks, because I did like a really big grocery shop to get my like maintenance, to make my maintenance of getting like the smaller things, weekly produce, easier. So there's not much stuff that we got, but like there's some produce that we can always get. And that's another thing. Like when I buy groceries, and I learned this, by the way, all disclaimer number 2 or 2005 is that anything that I've learned, someone might have told me. Like, for example, like a lot of the grocery shopping I learned from VJ. Like I've taken over from him, and he's basically molded me to be like this great person who does grocery shopping. But the only reason I know prices and stuff like that is because I've been doing it now for the last like couple of months. And after VJ kind of gave over the reins to me to take over the like grocery shopping for the household, I now have made it into a system that works for me, that I think is like organized and efficient. Like I took what he gave me, which is awesome, and like that's like motivation to get me started. But now I'm taking my strengths, which is like my personality, my lists, my OCD, which I know people like, I actually think I might have a mild case of it, but I'm taking it and running. Like I'm about it, you know? So, yeah, with this grocery shop, like we don't like go and buy something because we want it. Like obviously if we have a particular grocery recipe or something that you want to do, that's fine. But like I'm not going to buy clementines in like February when it's not in season, you know? If it's like, there's a lot of produce that are in season today, like broccoli, I'm cool with broccoli. Sweet potato, like I just kind of have been craving it, and it was on sale, so I'm like, okay, just get one. What else is in season? I think like lots of tomatoes and peppers and that kind of stuff are in season right now because of people getting rid of their harvest and making tomatoes and canned tomatoes and stuff like that. But you'll notice trends and what's on sale based on going on Flipp. And again, I'm going to make a detailed video about this after, but like in general, on Thursday, just to highlight, actually on Wednesday, the day before, when flyers come out, you'll have an opportunity to see that store's old flyer and the new flyer. So you'll be able to know like, okay, this like, there's literally so many times where you could buy something at like Food Basics and be like, oh my god, I got it for a steal, I even price matched, but then like you might find it at No Frills for like even cheaper, you know? And it's not about like always taking, like always winning and always buying stuff for like as cheap as possible. And like there's certain times where if you need something, you need something. Too bad, so sad, right? And then like whatever, but at the end of the day, like I've analyze this data, come to the conclusion that my 2 stores that I'm mainly going to are Food Basics and No Frills, as well as the Asian grocery store. And that's where like I've noticed most of the stores have like cheaper sales. And when I go through Food Basics and realize what I want on the flyer and click it, and then when I go through No Frills and realize what I want on the flyer, anything that's duplicates, I'll be like, oh wait, actually it's cheaper at Food Basics, I'm gonna just buy it from there. Oh, it's actually cheaper at No Frills, I'm gonna buy it from there. And then here and there for like big things that I'm buying, like maybe one off, like say I'm buying laundry detergent, and we do laundry like all the fucking time, even though I wear my freaking maxi all the time. My dad has like a stickler for cleanliness, so my mom is doing laundry like all the fucking time for him. So when we have to go randomly, she'll be like, oh, we're out of laundry detergent. I literally just go on Flipp, and again, I'm gonna make a video on it, but give me some time to get all of these thoughts out. But I'm gonna basically, I'll go on Flipp, I'll search the item I'm looking for. So like my dad also drinks lactose-free milk or Tide laundry detergent. I search it, do a quick high-level look, and say like Freshco or Walmart. Like Walmart price matches almost everything. So 90% chance if it's on sale, if it's the same brand and same quantity, you can bring it to Walmart and they'll price match it for you. So these are just little ways that I've learned to kind of get the best bang for buck. And yeah, so I hope that was helpful. And again, like, bear with me. First couple of videos, I'm going to probably repeat things. I'm probably going to, I don't know, be awesome. That's what I'm going to be. So that's it, actually. I'm just going to be awesome. Bye. I'm actually cracking myself up because I've literally been on my bed for the first part of this video. Then I was just standing, and now I'm sitting on my chair. And like, look at this. I'm literally just, my legs are on the bed, just living